Welcome to Pure Mindfulness. Are you looking for a step by step guide to meditating daily? Meditation is quite possibly the single most useful thing you can do for yourself. It's a quick, easy, and 100% free tool to calm anxiety and combat stress. It can help you sleep better, increase your focus, help you make better decisions, fast track to reach your goals, even manage pain, help you heal emotionally, improve your relationships. So, how do you do it? Many people just tell you to meditate, but they don't explain how. Today, in this video, I am going to break it down and give you a step by step guide on how to meditate daily when you are a beginner. Before you start meditation, you need to take care of a few practicalities. Wear whatever you like, but you might want to loosen ties, watches, belts, and slip off high heels or shoes. I recommend to you wear comfortable clothes, avoid tight clothes while meditation. Step 1. Find quiet place. Go to quiet place of your home or park or even temple. The main purpose is anyone can't disturb you while meditation. You can also set your timer for 1 to 5 minutes or more. Step 2. Sit comfortable position. Sit comfortable in a lotus position or chair, sofa, or even sit in floor. Close your eyes, begin with a few deep breaths, feeling your body relax completely. Consciously release any tension in your body and muscles. Continue to breathe slowly and gently. So many thoughts and images pop up in your mind while meditation. No need to control your thoughts, you just follow your breath. These thoughts are distracting you, just relax. Step 3. Release your anxiety and stress. Say to yourself either silently or out loud, I release the past and all its regrets. I release the future and its worries. I rest only in this moment called now, where I am at peace and free of all expectations. Step 4. Focus on your breath. Take a deep breath, and as you breathe out, consciously let go of the past and future, visualizing all the negative energy, thoughts, and feelings associated with both leaving your body and aura, being dissolved in white light. Step 5. Open your eyes. Open your eyes slowly, no need to rush. Practice this mindfulness meditation daily and regularly. It will help you to improve your health, reduce tension, anxiety, stress, and improve your ability to make good and right decisions in your life and career. After completing this meditation, do you have any doubts and queries? Ask me below comment section. I am very happy to answer your questions. If you have any doubts about meditation, mindfulness, chakras, and healing energy, let me know. I will definitely create videos about those topics. Finally, thank you so much for watching this video.